transporter irate at growing gas prices include locked main roads through Brazil with May 21, prevent the supply of consumer goods to supermarkets and gas to gasoline stations. Quoting concerns on absence of medical and main consumer goods, CEO Michel Temer told Saturday how his by the government would subsidize the price of diesel engine for the following 60 days, release blank trucks of tolls and enter a minimal cargo travel expenses for transporter. Temer told diesel engine prices at the pump would be cut to reals per liter, approximately $1, for the following 2 months. He told prices would growth fair one day a monthly following how prices had rising to 3.6 reals, $, per liter up the hit, in 5 increases in the 1 week up transporter took activity. The by the government would pay country-run oil business Petrobras the distinction in cost, Temer told in a televised address of the President Castle in Brasilia. Talks the by the government told its safety forces were accompanying gas trucks to key infrastructure facilities such as hospitals. This by the government was ever outdoor to dialogue and we were capable to mark and treaty in the leaders of the motion, Temer told Saturday. We consumable the 1 week hard to encounter the transporter grievances, but we were as well concerned on all the Brazilians how florid difficult situation these days. We know the nature difficult situation transporters suffer in their jobs, but we became more concerned by which was event in the public health segment. We acquired extremely restless statements there concerning the absence of medical and main consumer goods, he extended. The measures announced by Temer Saturday were published in the by the government's formal journal. Onto Web Gateway G1, the was one of the necessary components done by the Transporter Association in procedure to end the hit. If he's in the formal journal, our guideline is for the acquiescence to be recognized, Independent Cargo Transporters Association, Sinditac, CEO Carlos Alberto Dahmer said G1. Policy Sphere Secretary Carlos Marin told how subsidy diesel engine would price the Fed up to 10 trillion reals, approximately $2.7 trillion. Nation paralyzed the hit has hammered Brazil's economics, in Sao Paulo, Brazil's greatest town and finance nave, declaration a country of disaster Friday. The town cut its bus services by part Saturday and anticipated to halt them completely by Monday overnight as gas stocks ran of, a town room representative told. Garbage collections in the town had as well been hanging. Regional governments in some cities diminished social transportation to save gas. In Rio de Janeiro less than rather than a 4 of regular bus services ran Saturday, a town formal told. Meal in social schools was just guarantee before Monday, on to Rio's town room. Marin told the CEO was worried on the opportunity of losing of lifetime and the by the government was duplicating downward on the annex of fines versus transporter in care goods. Gas prices Temer has told he is not fleeing for reappointment. A quantity of president candidates, of both of order and leftward wing parties, include as well speak out in supporting of the remarkable transporter.